Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have Bose Soundlink Revolve II. I'm exciting to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. The Bose includes a wall mount adapter. USB cable micro B. Sound all around, engineered to deliver true 360 sound for consistent, uniform coverage from a Bluetooth speaker. Soundlink Revolve Plus to plays louder and deeper with longer battery life. Then Soundlink Revolve II, improved battery life, with up to 17 hours from a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You get more playtime than the original Soundlink Revolve Plus speaker. Charging is easy via the micro USB port. Durable portable speaker. Soundlink Revolve Plus 2 is dust and water resistant IP55 rating, so it will stand up to splashes by the pool. Plus, it's easy to grab and go. With a flexible fabric handle, built-in microphone, take calls and access your device's default voice assistant right from the portable speaker, or connect the speaker to an Amazon Alexa-enabled device, like the Echo Dot, for even more hands-free control of your music. Link in the description for the speaker. Connecting is easy. Voice prompts talk you through pairing your device to this. Bluetooth speaker. Multi-connect lets you pair to devices at one time and easily switch between them. For complete control of the music, Bose simpleync technology. simpleync pairs your Bose Soundlink Revolve Plus to Bluetooth. Speaker to compatible Bose products for sound that follows you from room to room, away from your phone. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on each device. Sound quality test. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.